Good morning, students. I K Misra came here with taking a video for class 8, chapter 3, square and square root. Students, in previous videos, I completed chapter 2. Again, now I am going to start your next chapter, chapter number 3, chapter name square and square root. In this exercise, in this chapter, we have to know first of all what is a square. Square means when any number is multiplied by itself, then the result is called a square. That means the result is a square number. So first of all, we have to know what is a square number. For example, if x is any number, x is a number, and when it is multiplied by itself, that means x, and result equal to x square. This is here a square number. That means the product of any number by itself is called a square of that number. Here this is the x square, this is the square of x. Suppose I take a number at the place of x, say take 3 into 3, result equal to 9. Here 9 is a square number. You can give so many examples for it. Now we have to find square of any number. Here so many questions are given in exercise 3a. You have to find a square of given number. That means you have to find a square. That means you have to multiply that number by itself. Students, in this exercise, it is very important to remember you squares of 1 to 30 at least. That means you have to remember the squares of number 1 to 30. Here we write squares of 1 to 30. That means here we write square of numbers. First, square of 1. 1 square means it 1 into 1 and its value is 1. Square of 2 equal to 4. That means 2 into 2 equal to 4. Square of 3 equal to 9. Here you observe these numbers are called a square of that number. Square. These are called perfect square. So you have to write perfect square. Define of perfect square is a number that is product of any number by itself. It's called perfect square, and this definition is written in your book. You can write from your book, and also you can write by pause the button and write our definition. Here first of all write all the squares of numbers from 1 to 30. 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9, 4 square equal to 16, 5 square equal to 25, 6 square equal to 36, 7 square is equal to 49, 8 square equal to 64, 9 square is equal to 81, 10 square equal to 100. Again 11 square equal to 121. 12 square equal to 144. 13 square equal to 169. 14 square 196. 15 square equal to 225. 16 square equal to 256. 17 square equal to 289. 18 square is equal to 324. 19 square equal to 361, and 20 square is equal to 400. Again write a square of 21 to 30. 21 square equal to 441. 22 square is equal to 484. 23 square equal to 529. 24 square equal to 576. 25 square equal to 625. Here 26 square equal to 676. 27 square equal to 729. 28 square equal to 784. 29 square equal to 841, and 30 square equal to 900. Students, you have to remember a square of 1 to 30. It is very important, and it will be regularly used in further chapters. So you have to remember all these squares of 1 to 30. Students, now I am going to start your exercise for solve questions. Your first question is in exercise 3A. You have to solve some questions in which you have to test the number is perfect square or not. If it is a perfect square, then it is a perfect square of whose number. So first of all, know how you will test the number it is a perfect square. So testing your perfect square, a perfect square number is always expressible as the product of pair of equal factors. That means a number, you have to factorize it. That means find its prime factors, and after that do its pair. If all the factors having pair, then that number is a perfect square, and if any factors having not pair, that means the number is not a perfect square. Here a first question is given, is 196 a perfect square? If so, find the number whose square is 196. So you have to solve this question. First of all, find prime factors. Solution of first of all, find resolve 196 as prime product of prime factors. So you have to find prime factors 196. First of all, divide it to 8 here 9 factorize 196. First of all, divide it by 2, 9 and 8. Here again it will be divisible by 2, 2, 4, 9. Again it is divisible by 7 times. Here you observe 196 equal to 2 into 2 into 7 into 7. Here these factors of pair and these factors of pair. So you can write 2 square and into 7 square. That means it is 96. 196 is a perfect square of 2 into 7 equal to 14. That means it is the perfect square of 14. Again, your next question is second number question. So that 1764 is a perfect square and find the number whose square is it. This number. That means whose square is this number. For finding, you have to find prime factorization of this number, and after grouping of pairing of each prime factors. So now first of all we have to solve this question. Write 1764 in product of prime factors. This is the question number second solution. One 764 is factorized, divided by 2, 8 times, divided by 1, 8 times and 2 times. Again 2, 4, 4, 1. Again this is divisible by 3. So divide it by 3, 3, 1 times, 4 times and 7 times. Again divided by 3, 3, 4 is 12 and 9. After that 7 to 7 times. That means you can write 1764 is equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 7 into 7. That means 2 square into 3 square into 7 square. That means 164 having pair of each factors. So it is a perfect square. Hence 1764 is a perfect square number, and it is the square of 2 into 3 into 7. That means 42. Students, now I am going to discuss your third questions. Your third question is, by what least number should it be multiplied to get a perfect square number? That means here first of all find is it is a perfect square. If not, what number should be multiplied so the given number be a perfect square, and also find the number whose perfect square the new number. That means the number that will be formed after multiplying the number required number, find the perfect square of that number. Here you have to find prime factorization. That means it will be written in the product of prime factorization. First of all, do its prime factorization. That means resolve solution, resolve 3675 as the product of prime factors. 3675. First of all, divide it by 3. 1 times, 2 times, 2 times, 5 times. After that, again it will be divisible. 5 to 7, 7 to 9, and 9 1. It is not divisible by 3. It will be divisible by 5. 5. Divide it 2 times, 2, 4 times, and 5 times. Again divide it by 5 times, 4 times, and 9 times. 4 times, 9 times. After that, 7 divided by 7 and 7 times. So it will be written as 3675 is equal to 3 into 5 into 5 into 7 into 7. Here you observe 5 has group and 7 has pair. 5 has pair and 7 has pair, but 3 has no pair. Is equal to 3 into 5 square into 7 square. 3 is not a square. So when we multiply this number by 3, when we multiply the number three six 75 by 3, it will be a perfect square. It will be perfect square. When you multiply it, then result be 3675 into 3, result equal to 11025. And when you find the whose number it is perfect square, it is the perfect square when we multiply the given number by 3. Here this part is completed. By what number should completed to be multiplied to get a perfect square? Here required number is 3. 3 is multiplied in this number, and the new number 11025 is equal to 3 square into 5 square into 7 square. So it is the perfect square of 10. So the new number is perfect square of 3 into 5 into 7. That means 105. So it is a perfect square of this number. So students, after watching this video completely, then now you have ready to complete your exercise of RS Sarwal book, exercise 3A. Here in last two questions is given, that will be studied, that will be completed when you will know, you will be a study about a square root, then you can solve that question easily. Now here you can accept. So I hope you will complete the exercise 3. After in next video I will discuss the properties related to square and the square root. When a number is a square, this will be expressed in some rules. In next video I will discuss that type of things. Students, now you complete the exercise. If any problem, contact me, and wait for next video. In next video, after watching the next video, you can complete exercise 3B. Thanks, that's all.